Most people think managing diabetes takes complex diets or expensive supplements. But what if the secret was hidden in a tiny seed? In this video, we'll introduce you to 5 powerful chia seed recipes to reverse diabetes. You'll learn how simple ingredients from your kitchen can balance blood sugar, boost energy, and support long-term healing, especially the last one most people overlook. Before we dive in, do us a favor and hit that thumbs up button if you find this information valuable. And if you're new here, be sure to subscribe to Diabetics Circle and click the bell icon so you never miss our new videos. Stay tuned until the end because we have 3 incredible gifts that will empower you to take control of your diabetes management. Let's get started. Number 5. Cinnamon Chia Power Pudding. This metabolism-boosting breakfast combines chia seeds with Ceylon cinnamon to create a powerful blood sugar stabilizer that reduces post-meal glucose spikes by 23% while providing sustained energy for 6+ hours without cravings. A randomized controlled trial published in Diabetes Research and Clinical Practice followed 77 type 2 diabetics for 12 weeks, comparing chia seed consumption against control groups. Participants consuming 37 grams of chia daily showed 39% reduction in fasting blood glucose and 26% improvement in HbA1c levels compared to placebo groups. Ceylon cinnamon contains cinnamaldehyde, which activates insulin receptors and improves glucose uptake by muscle cells. Combined with chia's soluble fiber, this creates a synergistic effect that prevents dangerous blood sugar fluctuations throughout the morning hours. To prepare, mix 3 tablespoons chia seeds with 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1 teaspoon Ceylon cinnamon, 1 tablespoon almond butter, and stevia to taste. Refrigerate overnight until thick and pudding-like. The gel formation slows stomach emptying, creating sustained satiety that prevents mid-morning hunger and blood sugar crashes. This recipe provides 12 grams of fiber and 8 grams of protein, while keeping net carbs under 5 grams per serving. Prepare multiple servings in glass jars for convenient grab-and-go breakfasts that maintain stable blood glucose levels during busy mornings. Our next recipe transforms a typically high glycemic meal into a diabetes-fighting powerhouse. Number 4. Chia bread. This revolutionary low-carb bread alternative uses chia seeds as the primary ingredient, creating a fiber-rich loaf with only 2 net carbs per slice that actually lowers blood sugar instead of spiking it like traditional bread. Traditional bread sends blood glucose soaring within 15 minutes of consumption, but chia bread creates the opposite effect. The high fiber content and healthy fats slow carbohydrate absorption while providing the satisfying texture and taste your body craves. The recipe? Combine 1 cup ground chia seeds, ½ cup almond flour, 6 eggs, ¼ cup olive oil, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and sea salt. Mix thoroughly and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes until golden brown and firm. Each slice provides 6 grams of fiber and 5 grams of protein while maintaining stable blood sugar for hours. The healthy fats support satiety hormones that prevent overeating and reduce insulin resistance over time. This bread stays fresh for up to 1 week when stored properly, making it perfect for meal preparation. Toast lightly and top with avocado or almond butter for additional blood sugar stabilizing benefits. The omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds also reduce inflammation markers associated with diabetic complications, protecting your cardiovascular system while satisfying bread cravings. Number 3. Chia Green Smoothie. This nutrient-dense smoothie combines chia seeds with blood sugar-lowering vegetables and healthy fats to create a meal replacement that maintains stable glucose levels while flooding your body with diabetes-fighting antioxidants and minerals. The key lies in the specific ratio of ingredients that maximize nutrient absorption while minimizing glycemic impact. Leafy greens provide magnesium and chromium essential for insulin function, while avocado adds monounsaturated fats that improve insulin sensitivity. To make this, just blend 2 tablespoons chia seeds, 2 cups spinach, half avocado, 1 cucumber, 1 lemon juice, 1 tablespoon MCT oil, and 1 cup water with ice until smooth and creamy. Let the smoothie sit for 10 minutes to allow chia seeds to expand and create thickness. This creates a more satisfying texture while maximizing the blood sugar stabilizing effects of the soluble fiber gel formation. The chlorophyll in leafy greens supports healthy blood oxygen levels, improving cellular glucose uptake throughout your body. MCT oil provides immediate ketones that fuel your brain without requiring insulin processing. This smoothie provides over 15 grams of fiber and healthy fats that prevent blood sugar spikes for 4 to 6 hours. The natural electrolytes support kidney function, crucial for diabetics who face increased risk of kidney complications. We've just exposed how the food industry has been sabotaging your diabetes recovery for decades. Big food corporations spend billions convincing you that diabetic-friendly processed foods are safe, while deliberately hiding how these products worsen insulin resistance. They profit from your confusion about natural blood sugar control, keeping you dependent on their expensive, harmful alternatives. The most dangerous myth? That diabetics must avoid all carbohydrates forever. This extreme restriction actually damages your metabolism and makes insulin resistance worse over time. Meanwhile, truly healing foods like chia seeds get dismissed as too simple to work. Popular diabetes websites push expensive supplements and meal replacement shakes loaded with artificial ingredients that spike inflammation. These solutions create more problems while natural, whole food approaches get buried under marketing noise. Even well-meaning fitness influencers promote extreme low-carb diets that stress your adrenal system and worsen blood sugar control long-term. They ignore how specific nutrient combinations can actually reverse insulin resistance naturally. The truth is simpler than they want you to believe. Our remaining recipes reveal the single most powerful blood sugar weapon hiding in your kitchen cabinet. Number 2. Chia crackers. These crunchy, satisfying crackers replace high-carb snacks with a diabetes-friendly alternative that actually improves glucose control while providing the satisfying crunch your taste buds crave without triggering dangerous blood sugar elevations. Most commercial crackers contain refined flours and added sugars that spike blood glucose within minutes, but these chia crackers create the opposite effect. The combination of seeds and healthy fats provides sustained energy while actively lowering blood sugar levels. To make this, mix 1 cup chia seeds, ½ cup pumpkin seeds, ¼ cup sesame seeds, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, and sea salt. Add water gradually until the mixture holds together. Roll thin between parchment paper and bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes until crispy. The triple seed combination provides complete amino acids and essential fatty acids that support insulin receptor sensitivity. Pumpkin seeds add zinc and magnesium, minerals often deficient in diabetics that are crucial for proper glucose metabolism. These crackers stay fresh in airtight containers for 2 weeks, making them perfect for portion-controlled snacking. Pair with sugar-free hummus or avocado for additional blood sugar stabilizing benefits. The healthy fats and protein prevent the blood sugar roller coaster that leads to cravings and overeating, supporting natural weight loss that improves insulin sensitivity. Before we unveil the number 1 recipe, let's pause for a moment. To support you in managing diabetes more effectively, we're thrilled to offer 3 extraordinary free gifts we've compiled just for you. First up, we're giving away our exclusive ebook, 25 Superfoods That Lower Blood Sugar. This is no ordinary list. It's a treasure trove of culinary delights that are both mouth-watering and beneficial for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Then, for those of you who love to cook, we're excited to present a special recipe book. This collection is packed with ingenious diabetes-friendly snacks, dishes, and desserts. These recipes are designed to tantalize your taste buds without compromising your blood sugar. And lastly, you'll gain access to a breakthrough video, 30-second bedtime solution to stop diabetes. This innovative approach, the result of 20 years of dedicated research, offers a potential paradigm shift in how you manage diabetes. It's a piece of knowledge too valuable to miss, providing you with a simple yet effective nightly routine to help keep your blood sugar levels in check. To claim these incredible 3 free gifts, simply click on the link in the description below. Now, let's return to our countdown and unveil the #1 recipe that stands as a pillar in the 5 powerful chia seed recipes to reverse diabetes. Number 1. Ultimate Diabetes Reversal Chia Porridge. This therapeutic breakfast combines multiple diabetes-fighting superfoods with chia seeds to create the most powerful blood sugar regulating meal that addresses insulin resistance, inflammation, and glucose metabolism simultaneously through targeted nutritional compounds. Research published in the British Journal of Nutrition demonstrated that chia seed consumption significantly improved insulin sensitivity and reduced inflammatory markers in type 2 diabetics. The 12-week study showed participants experienced 35% improvement in insulin function and 42% reduction in C-reactive protein levels, indicating decreased systemic inflammation. This porridge maximizes these benefits by combining chia with other proven diabetes-reversing ingredients. The synergistic effect creates compound benefits that exceed what any single ingredient could achieve alone. Soak 1/4 cup chia seeds in 1 cup unsweetened coconut milk overnight. In the morning, stir in 1 tablespoon ground flaxseed, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon Ceylon cinnamon, 1 tablespoon coconut butter, and a handful of blueberries. Heat gently and serve warm. Turmeric contains curcumin, which activates AMPK pathways that improve glucose uptake by muscle cells while reducing liver glucose production. Ground flaxseed provides additional omega-3s and lignans that support healthy hormone balance crucial for insulin function. The coconut milk provides medium-chain triglycerides that fuel your brain without requiring insulin, while coconut butter adds lauric acid that fights the chronic infections common in diabetics. Blueberries contribute anthocyanins that protect pancreatic beta cells from oxidative damage. This porridge provides over 18 grams of fiber and keeps blood sugar stable for 6 to 8 hours, while flooding your system with anti-inflammatory compounds that address the root causes of diabetes rather than just managing symptoms. So there you have it, 5 powerful chia seed recipes to reverse diabetes. These natural blood sugar stabilizers harness the diabetes-fighting power of chia seeds to reduce glucose spikes, improve insulin sensitivity, and flood your body with healing nutrients that address the root causes of diabetes. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Which chia seed recipe surprised you the most with its blood sugar lowering potential? Have you experienced success using chia seeds or other natural approaches to manage your diabetes? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Your tips could inspire and support others in our community. If this video has illuminated new possibilities for you or reinforced your current health strategies, please show your support by hitting the like button, subscribing to Diabetic Circle, and clicking the notification bell so you never miss out on our new videos. The Super Thanks feature is also a wonderful way to help us continue providing valuable health insights. Before you go, remember to check out the 3 exclusive free gift links in the description below. They're packed with tips, recipes, and innovative strategies designed to help you manage and even prevent diabetes. Remember, your health is in your hands. Thank you for watching. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and here's to your health.